friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my absolutely the best Cajun smoked salmon croquettes there is on the internet. And I will show you how to do it. I will have all of my ingredients listed below. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've taken my smoked salmon and I have that, you know, that recipe is on my channel, and I've taken that and I'm crumbling it up. If you do not want to do the grilling part, you can definitely bake it in the oven. Just make that recipe. So anyway, after I crumble this all up, I'm going to next add in a whole bunch of other things, but remember that since this has so much seasoning in it already, I don't have to add a whole lot of seasoning. So now I'm adding in some onion and some bell pepper. If you don't want to put them in a raw state, you can definitely saute them first before you put them in. So in here I've added some ginger paste, some garlic paste. I'm going to be adding in 2 eggs. And I'm going to be adding in next some Ritz crackers that I am crumbling up. Now you can always put those in like a Ziploc bag and then pound them before you put them in, or you can just use regular breadcrumbs. You don't have to go through all of this. So anyway, once I've done that, I am going to combine them. And I don't think that's enough Ritz crackers in here. So somewhere in there, I'm going to add some more Ritz crackers to this. That will total what I have in the recipe. And so the next part of what I'm going to do is to add in some seasonings after I combine all of this as I'm showing you. Now this, guys, this recipe is so awesome. You really need to make them just to have a different variation. And plus it's a different taste than the traditional salmon croquettes or salmon patties. So now that I'm adding in some granulated garlic, some black peppers, some Worcestershire sauce, and then I am also mixing by hand to combine this. So you guys, you know, you can make them in different sizes. I'm actually making a pretty large one because I don't want that many, and plus we're eating these as our dinner meal. I don't want to have a couple of crab cakes on there. I'll look like a fatty patty. So I'm just gonna make an actual larger one so it doesn't look like I'm a pig with 3 or 4 of them on the plate. Anyway, I'm just going overboard. But anyway, this is the size that I'm making them. So anyway, I have in a bowl, I have some flour, some cornmeal. I've added in some cedar plank seasoning, but if you don't and you want a little bit more spice, you can put in some more Cajun seasoning and have some granulated garlic powder, and I added some salt in there as well. So I just started to combine that. And so the next step is to take the salmon patties and to put them in there and then just dredge it. Make sure you cover them completely. And then I have some oil that's heated. I have some olive oil. If you don't want to use olive oil, you can use canola oil. So I just go for the healthier fats, just trying to keep the frying fats in a good healthier stance for heart health. So anyway, I'm going to fry these up until they're crispy and brown and golden and beautiful. And then guess what, you guys? These salmon croquettes will be done and plated. I have a terrific sauce, a remoulade, that I will put in the ingredients below if you want to make that sauce to accompany these wonderful salmon croquettes, or you can just eat them just as they are, because they have a lot of flavor. So anyway, you guys, just fry them until they're nice, pretty, and golden like I was saying before. And guess what? We're going to plate these. Once they're done, you will take them out and we'll put them on a paper towel to drain off all of the excess fat, because you don't want all that extra oil. You don't want to eat all that. So anyway, just put them on a paper towel and drain them and let them cool down just a little bit before you start biting into them. Anyways, these are done. So here we go. Here's them on the paper towels, and now I'm going to show you them on the wonderful plate. And guess what, you guys? They are done. You need to give me a thumbs up because I did this right here. Okay. And anyways, I just want to tell you thank you for watching. And as always, I want to say enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.